everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down.
Nope.
I've got doggone sci-fi behind the wheel. We're gonna go get some juice.
And there was the right to go left again.
Little right to go left action already off the bat.
Turn lane. Turn lane.
Late to the turn lane.
Fun fact, these tall bottles.
Yeah, they're sorry.
Having kind of a progressive dinner.
I'll take it.
That was a yummy grilled cheese. I enjoyed it.
Good grilled cheese. Not so much on the salad. If you guys are liking the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
If it does the blinking yellow and pulls out, I'm going to disengage.
Yeah, no. If it does do a blinking yellow, you've got a car behind you. I think you know that, though.
Do not. I do now. Ooh, got a green arrow today.
Got an advanced, what they call, what James Locke calls the advanced green.
I'm very curious to see if that aerial shots.
How close it got to go?
Yeah. That was a little,
Close for comfort.
yeah, from a driver's perspective. Tall power lines that we're gonna cross.
Yeah, no, it doesn't be up there. Headwind into it. It must be headwind into the headwind.
Do you see him?
Let's see. There it is. Yeah, there it is.
Really tall ones.
Got it.
I remember double up
Yep.
for the underpass.
Let's see. It was on the up too. I remember when standard autopilot used to die up on this intersection up here, like we would die in the intersection because the curvature of the road is too great.
Yeah. Well, and it looks like the road dies because
Yeah.
of the elevation of it.
I mean, certainly it's difficult to see from the air, but we would die usually in the intersection right about here.
Yeah.
Not on full self-driving though.
There you go. Lots of power lines coming up.
See.
And then remember, I'm going to disengage and make it go the way that I want it to go.
Yep. We're going to take a slightly different route just because we'd like to get a little bit more scenic twisties.
I was going to make a comment that I don't know if I've ever said. I think I've said this to you, but I don't think I've said this on camera yet. One of the things that I genuinely appreciate about full self-driving is when I'm having a bad phantom limb pain day, it makes driving more accessible.
Oh, it just takes the stress off of people. It takes the...
Well, because, like, you know, like when I have a
Yeah.
bad phantom limb pain day, it just wipes me out, like, some days. And it makes it to the point that it hurts to grab things because, you know, as you can see.
Yep.
So, tall power lines. But anyways, so it makes it like when I try to grab things, you know, almost impossible until I can deal with it. And so, and you never know when it's gonna hit, right?
Yeah.
Like I can usually tell like if I've been doing a lot with my hands that day or something, like or teaching and that kind of stuff. But it just makes it, because I drive what, 25 minutes home from work. It just makes it, like I said, accessible. So
It makes it enjoyable more than anything like that.
yeah, it just makes it accessible. So anyone that's watching this that
Oh, like I think of accessibility and like,
Yeah.
to apply to, or applicability. Like toward-
no accessibility,
Oh,
like when you talk about like a
okay,
disability.
got it.
Yeah, no accessibility, accessibility.
Slow down just a smidge. Becca's kind of getting away from me here.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Doggone sci-fi is getting away from me here.
We would not make good robbers. I'm just
Yeah,
saying.
no, because we would reveal our code names instantaneously, but
Yeah.
just cut across this. Yeah, I can catch it.
Oh yeah, there's where the fire was yesterday.
Oh yeah. We had a fire in that field yesterday.
Mhm. That's why 4th of July in this area always makes me nervous.
Yeah. There's a lot of open space out here.
A lot of dry.
Dry sagebrush.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of sparse open areas.
Which, fun fact, our city just lifted the ban after 30-something years.
Oh, the fireworks ban?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is the first year that you get to do legally.
Well, it didn't stop it before.
I know. I am curious to see how many more happen because it's now legal.
Because it's legal now, and yeah, no, you're right. You're gonna make a left at the Southridge part, right? Then turn right and put the signal light up here.
Mm-hmm. So we'll go by Chinook.
Copy that.
Yeah, see, the UI didn't recognize that there's the crosswalk flashing sign back there. Granted, why are we?
Which way were you signaling there?
I don't know, went away before I could find it.
Gotcha.
I think it was signaling right. I think again, right to go left. We're gonna ride this guy's butt. You know, for a car that doesn't like to be tailgated.
No kidding, it tailgates everybody else.
Alright, we could go, so we're gonna give it a left tap. We're gonna push the accelerator through the turn. There you go. good? Okay. You know about all these, so you're good. Nope.
See, it needs to yield for that other vehicle. It's never... It does it such in an uncomfortable way that it almost makes you think that it's not going to.
And there's a car.
To your right.
Is there more than one?
There's you got a gap there.
Okay. Because of where my seat is, for the viewers wondering why I was having to have help, I'm gonna go over here and park.
Sure.
But anyways, wondering why I need to have help with the right side is because of where I sit, it's a little hard to see.
Well, you guys, I'm Gray Shut Down. This is Doggone Sci-Fi. Thanks for joining us for another full self-driving video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.